Before getting started, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future videos. So, here are the top 3 websites that will help you to use your internet like a pro. Number 1. VirusTotal. This website will help you to check whether a file contains virus or not. Simply type VirusTotal on Google and upload your file. Number 2. Firefox Send. If you want to send files over internet, this website is handy for you. Simply go to Firefox Send, upload your file and copy the link. Number 3. ExtractMe. This will come in handy if your smartphone do not have a RAR file extractor installed. Simply head over to the website, upload your RAR file and then you can download the extracted file. Hey guys, if you like the video, leave a thumbs up. Hope to see you in the next one.